Past simple or past continuous. They sound similar, but using the wrong one changes the whole meaning. 25 questions, one correct answer. Let's go. Question 1. I blank a book when the lights went out. Question 2. She blank her coffee and left the house. Question 3. While they blank in the park, it started to rain. Question 4. He blanked the window because it was cold outside. Question 5. I blanked to music while she blanked the room. Question 6. The phone blanked 3 times before I finally answered it. Question 7. What blanked you blank at 10 o'clock last night? Question 8. She blanked across the street when a cyclist almost hit her. Question 9. We blanked the entire house in one afternoon. Question 10. He blanked TV when someone knocked on the door. Question 11. They blanked 3 countries during their trip last summer. Question 12. I blanked down the stairs when I slipped and twisted my ankle. Question 13. At 7 o'clock this morning, she blanked her yoga routine. Question 14. The children blanked outside all afternoon until their mom called them in. Question 15. While I blanked for the bus, I saw an old classmate. Question 16. She blanked the door, turned off the lights, and went to sleep. Question 17. We blanked lunch when the fire alarm went off. You're getting better at grammar, but let me ask you this. Can you tell a story in English without stopping to think about every verb? If not, From Stuck to Fluent has 500 phrases that make past tenses feel natural. 30 days, real situations, Real progress. Link in the description. Question 18. He blanked his bike to the office every day last year. Question 19. I blanked about moving to a new city when she offered me the position. Question 20. Blank it blank when you woke up this morning? Question 21. She blanked her presentation while her colleague blanked the data. Question 22. I blanked my sunglasses on the bench and somebody took them. Question 23. At midnight, the whole city blanked fireworks for New Year. Question 24. While he blanked the car, he noticed a scratch on the side. Question 25. She blanked 3 emails, made 2 calls, and then headed out. "25 questions, done. Past simple and past continuous can be confusing, but you made it through. What's your score? Drop it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell for a new quiz every day. Catch you tomorrow.